What's going on, everybody? Y'all know where we at. We're at Pull Apart Pull. Two little wrenches. We only need to come get this little part for this little Oldsmobile, a little quick flip car I got. I'm gonna sell for like 15 to 1700 bucks. I actually need a coil too, but y'all see what we eating on. Hot fries and the Old Glory. Stuff I've been eating since I was like younger, you know. And it went up on their price of admission. It went from $1, then it was $2, now they at $3. But yeah, I got my two little wrenches. That's all I need. Got my Old Glory. You know, in the Honda. Take it to Wilson tomorrow to get it fixed. You know, take it to Wilson to get that touched up. Get all of that, like, cause it's got like two scrapes, like right down this way. Then get that fixed. I'm gonna fix that. And then I think it's like one more little scrape right there, like this. Just gonna get that like buffed out and stuff. And then gonna hang this bumper. Just gonna hang that bumper while I'm out here at the salvage yard. I'm gonna look for a grill. Let me get one more dollar, because I didn't know they went up on the price of the admissions. And I heard from nesting people left and right, but I'll see how when we get to the in there. But like I was saying, you sell a car and you come get parts for another one. Hopefully they got what I'm looking for. That's what you do on a Monday. You go part shopping. Oldsmobile Alero. Really ain't even necessarily Alero. Just looking for the one with the same motor. And mine got in there. Mine got a miss in there. But also missing these parts that I need. I can get that off of Pontiac too if it got the same motor. Check this Pontiac. Nope. Need that 2.4 motor. 2.4. With the coils, so all-in-one coils types. Get that, and then also a little box, and I can go back out there, look for this grill for this Honda. Hopefully we get lucky. That's one thing about the salvage yard. Especially here. At Pull Aparts, it's $3, and all they show is they show you what they have. They're not like LKQ. At least LKQ got some pictures, even though their pictures ain't like stay up to date. You know, their pictures ain't up to date, but at least you can tell, like, okay, at least they got the color that I'm looking for. Pull Aparts, you just like taking a chance. But I hope everybody's Monday is going good. Hope everybody doing what they need to be doing. To find what we're looking for. Be a great Monday. People be always asking me, like, why I don't do more work on my cars. It's not that I don't want to do more work on the cars, it's time consuming. It's so time consuming. We got a Alero right here. Set my shit and my drink down. Like, that's the only thing, like, yes, I can do a lot of work But it's just so time consuming. You just be, it's just time consuming. When I can be paying somebody else to fix it, I can be buying cars. I took what I needed. This is exactly what I needed. Took the coils and they took the little intake, little piece. Exactly what I was needing. Well, took it. One more out here like it, so hopefully that's a winner. If not, I'll have to call around. I don't mind walking the salvage yard. I usually do it with my dad, but he be acting like he's busy when he's really not. But getting old. I know these Pontiacs got the same thing. Set my drink over here. There we go. Yeah, Come on. Took it too. Exactly what I was needing. Bam. Took it. Oh. 0.4 liters of those coils, because it's like all in one coil, it's not an individual. Man, that thing always go bad. That goes bad. So it's just this other little piece, little plastic, little trim piece that I was needing. It doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to find it, because that whole roll of Chevy time. Maybe we get lucky it's on this last row. See, they missing like 4 rows. Usually like all those rows would be filled up. This one ain't got a motor in there. Don't look like we're gonna get a winner with some chicken dinner. And that's a V6, so I don't even need to look at that. Well, looks like they got me for $3. Oh, see, V6 as well. So ain't even no point in looking at that. I really just needed like the box. Nope. Looks like we got no winners and no chicken dinners. Nope. We didn't win today. And it's Honda, and I got a Nissan, so I can at least go back here and walk in the back, and maybe I can find a grill. That's what happens sometimes. You go to the salvage yard and they even got, y'all want them old schools? Y'all want them old schools? But we didn't get what we needed exactly for the car to be running, but we'll get these other little miscellaneous parts. But it's just walking the salvage yard, man. So it's kind of what I do Monday, especially when the weather's good. Come out here and just walk, because you never know what you can find. But appreciate everybody for rocking with me. And if y'all want to get in touch with me, just message me on Instagram, or y'all can just add me on Facebook. My name is Al James Murray. So ALJAMES MURRY. If you want to message me, just add me on Facebook, because we'll be posting Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikToks, everything on all type of social media. So, but I usually be on Facebook the most, because that's what I usually do when I'm selling cars. And if y'all trying to buy any cars, just go ahead and add me. You don't even necessarily got to add me. You can just click on my name and just follow the page. And when I put something up there for sale, y'all already know, because y'all follow me on there as well. But appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm out. Peace.